Hey, my little multi-talented babes. I know I've been gone a while, but I have a new wig on the scene for you guys. This is Canary Fly U-Part wig on Amazon. It's only for $77 for a 20-inch. If you don't get over there and get that right now, I don't know what to tell you. It's human hair. Like I said, 20-inch, $77. Go get it. Now, I washed the hair with this keratin repair conditioner. I got it from TJ Maxx. It was only $8.99 a piece. It does wonders on your natural hair and on wigs. Now look at the shine and this bounce on this wig. It looks fabulous. I washed it. I let it hang out to dry overnight, and then the next morning I curled it and it looks fabulous.
Few inches later.
Now here is the results. I couldn't do the bathroom review, but I did it while in Target while trying on clothes. So run over to Target too and see if you like this jumpsuit. It was pink, it was cute, and it was everything. But anyway, this is my hair. It looks fabulous. I added a little blonde piece in there just to give it a little kick. And it's blended, girl. It is blended. The curls to fill out and everything, girl. It's 100 degrees outside, so I had to do what I had to do. But like I said, it looks fabulous. Edges are together. This is a cute little wig to pop in. Go bye, girl. Bye.